Just lost some hairs now. So look. This is one of the greatest reasons to have an enclosed trailer. This sucker right here. The toilet. Yes, indeed. I only dump in the sewer, so we can't always dump this. So sometimes we have to take a little trip or whatever like that and go to the next property. So check this out. So yeah, this is the way that we do this right here. You put old rocks in the bottom of the bucket. You put this one on top, and it stops it from tipping over. That's how we prevent spills when we have to travel and we can't dump this right away. Well, hey, we never have to make bathroom breaks, no stops or anything like that, because we have this.